All right, guys. So sound, why is sound important? So speech audio. So speech audio is like, audio that like the officiant, the bride and groom saying their vows, the toast at the reception. That's speech. Okay, that's like speech audio. Okay, that's the audio from there. And ambient audio, well, speech audio is anything that somebody's talking and stuff like that. That's speech audio. So you need to capture good quality speech audio so you can use that in your highlight films, in your trailers. So ambient audio. Ambient audio is or ambient sound or ambient noise. So ambient audio is just audio in the room, okay? Audio on location. If you're outside and there's like birds chirping, there's cars and stuff like that, that's ambient audio. That's like audio pretty much that's there and sometimes you can't control, okay? That's ambient audio. Ambient in the room, ambient noise in the room, like glasses, maybe people eating, like stuff like that. well, well, noise in the room, that's ambient audio. And music. So music audio is just audio that's like music playing maybe in the background. That's music. So that's yeah, that's audio from music, just music that's playing in the background. That's music. So speech audio, ambient audio, and music. So those are like the three types of sounds you're gonna hear while filming weddings. And you can control the speech audio, but mostly you can't control the ambient audio, so you just have to have like, you have to mic the person that's talking if you want to get that kind of audio. Because otherwise, like, there's always going to be some type of ambient audio, people laughing, people clapping. That's all like ambient audio. Okay, guys. So you need to make sure you get like devices in equipment. You can go back up in equipment and see what kind of audio equipment I use to capture good audio. But you need good audio, guys. Sound plays a huge role in making your films cinematic. Okay, guys. Sound effects, stuff like that, that all makes your films more cinematic. So yeah. So make sure you go down in the topic and you read about the audio and sound and stuff like that. Okay, guys, but sound really plays a huge role in making your film cinematic. So make sure you capture good audio when somebody's speaking. Make sure you mic them or you connect to the DJ's mic, because you're gonna need good audio for your weddings. Okay, guys, you're gonna need good audio. So as far as film school and audio, what can I say? What I can just say is get good audio, guys. Get good audio. And most people would rather have good audio and bad video than bad audio and good video. So that kind of just shows you a role that audio really plays in film. When it comes to music, like the kind of music that you use for your films also affects the story, affects the emotions, So when you're choosing songs, music, sound effects for your trailers, for your highlights, make sure you choose emotional music. Make sure you choose cinematic music, so that way it can affect the viewers differently than using like high tempo music or just like, sad music. Make sure you choose your music wisely, so that way it can kind of evoke emotions into the people that are watching. Okay, guys? So music plays a huge role as well, not just the camera movement and lighting and stuff like that. Music, sound plays a huge role. Audio, the speeches, that plays a huge role to create a cinematic wedding film. So make sure your audio is good, make sure your sound is good.